Greetings, fellow nerds. Today's box opening we have is for a Kickstarter box of Genesis Battle of Champions Origins. So it came, this is exactly how it came to me. Opened, I don't know if it was on a counter in a LGS or what, but it says life was peaceful behind the walls of Anahata until Kala, a vampire, was murdered in the street. The ruthless action and the Senate's reluctance to act have caused the city to become divided. The vampires and their advocates, led by Kasha, fight for their right to be treated as equals and for their past sins to be forgiven. The elves, led by Manot or Manot, and their disciples fight to restore order in Anahata and to maintain the integrity and values therein. So here we go, Haunted Castle Gaming. 24 booster packs. So 2022. So not long ago at all. So let's take a look here. They said it was a full pack or box of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what did it say on here? 24 booster packs. Each pack is 8 common, 4 uncommon, 2 rares, and 1 starter car. 1 uncommon will be replaced with an epic rare, extended art. 1 in every 7 packs, and 1 in 17 will have a foil. So here we have Origins Kickstarter box from Genesis Battle of Champions. I do not know a single thing about this game, which is pretty bad on me. I should have looked it up, but I didn't, so oh well. So here we go. The booster pack is pretty made in Canada. Does not smell like maple syrup. Okay. I grew up right across the river from Canada, so I can make those jokes, right? So here we have the Tower Sphinx. Never seen a Sphinx that looks like that, but it's a common. We can see down here at the bottom, which is nice. Sorry, let's get you a better view here. Common, Chittering Romasi, short common, 3. So there's must be for playmat purposes. Uncommon is Turn Away. Uncommon, Illusionary Misplacement. Rope Tornado, that sounds interesting. There's my rare, the Lava Rider. Oh, another rare, Calculated Assault. And there's my starter. We'll set those aside. Common, 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 and a Firehound. I'm wondering if the starters are like heroes in Shadow Era and other games of that ilk. Here we go. Just to show the back, Genesis Battle of Champions by Haunted Castle Gaming. Backstep, Electric Strike, Maricha. I mean, beautiful artwork. Knockback. Let's just kind of. Uncommon, Deceit. Uncommon. The Landmine. Hayam. A lot of the real estate seems taken up by the rules at the bottom, but it could just be me nullify. So it looks like there's 2 rares per pack. Am I? 2 rares, yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay. And 1 occupancy token, which tells me again that it's a grid-based game. Yeah, you go right there. So I think the pictures on the packs are just like artwork, and it's not certain factions or certain packs. Ooh, grapple technique, so it's like martial arts. Precise thrust, away, landmine. I've got 2 uncommon, the same, lunging assault and traumatophobia. And there is a token right here. Viduta. No token, yeah, starter, different. Shield Major. Spore Cloud. Northern Lacelle. Oh, that's cool looking. Quake hoof. Don't try to pet it or it'll kick you, and then you'll get famous on the internet. Alright, let's see here. Well, the field test, they feel exact same as Star Wars. Actually, they smell the same. Prowling Ivala, Earth Strike, Direct Punch, Blood, Rakshasa, Violet, Bimont, Snare. I'm wondering if they're supposed to be French pronunciation since it's from Canada. Slippery, Bon Jovi's favorite card. Oh, another. It's rare, but I've got 2 of them already. Winged Elate and another token. Foreboding Tombstone. Another roundhouse kick and agility break. Make some more room here. My rares. Alright, I'm hoping I get a foil because I'd like to see what their foil in looks like. Back fist. That's cool looking. Alright. Mythic Burst. Disabling Shot. Oh, an arrow through the knee. Ha ho, Skyrim reference. Uncommon. Rare Lava Rider, another one. Zenith Pulse. Those rares. And oh, Kato. My starter. Taser. Don't tase me, bro. Ha ho. Mind reading. I'm just kind of randomly taking them off the packs, off the different piles here. That's cool. Summon Frog Otter. Chasm. Whoa. That is a fever dream if I've ever seen one right there. It's like if you asked AI to make a giraffe mixed with a leopard. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Vacuum Vortex. Longma. That's cool. Horse. Oh, I hope they have a liger. That'd be sweet. Earth Fisher. Everything in line of sight, huh? This is actually making me think of sorcery a little bit. If it's got line of sight stuff going on. Token. Spirit. Looks like a gorilla mixed with a lion. Block. Slum Rat. Another Foreboding Tombstone. Let's grab one of you. I should try to save one of each of these different packs. Pain Imp. Warp Strike, Divine Blessing, Air Soldier, that's cool looking. And Caustic Millipede, some rares. Hey, there they go. Another starter, Essa. Beck and Break, Hearty Soup, Drawbreak. Uncommon, Protected by Faith. Ooh, that's cool. Hustlant Mycophore. Horror Purge, Sudden Vengeance, and Bacteriophage. My rares, another token. Chicken again. Dancing Stream. Dancing Stream. It practically writes itself. Let's see if I can not destroy at least one pack to keep. Alright. Pummel, spinning, common, high jump, flying kick. Looked like Peter Pan for a second when I went too fast. Low blow, cackling scavenger, that's cool. Ooh, Lion King, Filingua, an anteater leopard mix. TCRI, ooh, epic rare, electrical storm. It looks like it's got a serialized in the corner there. Not sure, but pretty sweet. I'll have to look that up. This one is another starter. Common. Alright. Tar Pit. Common, uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Deceit. Psychic Blast. Another Earth Fisher. Another token. Recomposition. Ooh, Rhinovirus. Isn't that just a cold? Alright. Blood. Reach on backstop. Uncommon. Oh, that's cool looking. Arctic fox there. Snare. Another lava rider. A rock crusher. An elephant. Cool. Another token. Roundhouse. Okay. Try to, well, I kind of destroyed this pack, so. Pummel, backfist, snare. Pelarafa, a giraffe pelican. Yeah, so this is definitely like Razor and Toka kind of stuff going on here. Rhinovirus token. Did I have another token of that and I just didn't pay attention? Probably. I know I had that rhinovirus. Whatever. Territory Bala, Geomantic Explosions. Definitely terrible memories, yeah. Have some cool names, some of these cards. And different art style. I don't know how to describe it. Not as detailed as some of the other games, but the originality is just amazing. Cold shot, protective barrier, slippery again, violent Lingua again, Traumatophobic again, and well, there we go. Yeah, okay. But back and break, hardest soup, illusion mode. Alright. Right hook. Electrical storm. Which, oh, full art. Meant to make it the epic. Mutant. Iblis is my starter. Common, common. No foils yet. Oh, electropheromones. Volley of arrows. That's cool. Oh, look at this. I have an epic rock crusher. This is a good pack. An occupancy token. I guess that tells you, yeah, the spot's occupied. So you're in the restroom. And a smoke rejecta, a common foil, but it's a foil nonetheless. And it reminds me very much of the foils from Shadow Era, except the whole thing's foiled and they didn't leave the creature non-foiled to make it really pop. But still cool. That was definitely a good pull there. And let's keep going. We're getting there. Rhinopini, a Rhino Steel. Turn away, landmine again, Infernal Crawler, and Firing Krog, a crocodile porcupine, and it's called a Krog. You think it'd be a crocodile or a frog, but common. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Chasm. Uncommon. Longma, Warping Sweep. Starter Kasha. Block. Okay. Getting down to the end here. Foot Stomp. Another one of you. Another Longma. It's so rare that I've got, what, 3 of them? Occupancy token. Common. You know what? Just put all those together. Alright. Last one of the Harry Potter extra there. And my rare is another Electrical Storm, Son of Vengeance. Starter is this token. Wondering if you start with a spell in play, and that's what they're meaning by starter. Have to look this up online. Naja Cobra, Psychic Blast. Ooh, epic rare. Cackling Scavenger. Nice. Common. Common Chameleon. Okay, sorry. Alright. Another Tower Sphinx. Slippery, Violent, Malefic Impalement. Bacteriophage. Alta. Well, there's the... I was hoping to get one more foil. Because that's a common foil. It's cool to have a foil, but I'd love to have like a rare... Another Electrical Storm. Another Inferno Crawler. Corrine. Common. And the last pack of Genesis Battle of Champions, the Kickstarter Origins Booster Box from 2022. Hallowed Grounds, Pain Imp, Izakuruma, Tower Sphinx, Turn Away, Earthmane Lion, cool, that's new. Illusionary Replacement. Waterwarp, that's a new one. Air Soldier, got it already. There is another epic rare, Calculated Assault. I mean, they're full art, which is cool. Starter, Spore Cloud, Northern Quakehoof, and Dancing Stream again. So there we have it. Genesis Battle of Champions by Haunted Castle Gaming. My one foil in the booster box. And I have one epic, 1, 2, 3 epic rares. And my rares, So, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and hope you all have a great day.